Hi, good evening to all of you. Okay, right, back to the topic of the day. And why is it so meaningful? Did you notice recently the air quality is so bad? Guys, haze is back. So pollution is not something we should ignore and do nothing anymore, right? And air quality dropped to very unhealthy level. And it's part of many of us has been suffering like respiratory coughing and stuff like that. So it is quite alarming. I believe some of us has been affecting the youngs and the olds, and some of us has been coughing non-stops. So this is something we really cause some concerns, and we should do something about this, right? Yeah, talking about today's topic, yes, we will be bringing you the topic about reuse, refill, rethink, not just recycle anymore, right? And you think about how is the packaging going to impact the earth, the mother earth, the planets, right? Yeah, all right, guys, get all your questions ready on hands. Do not miss any chance to interact with our special guest today. Without further ado, are you ready? Put your hands together, guys. Yeah, let's welcome our special guests. We have two today. Miss Oh Sok Ping and KLYTIA. Yes, have a quick introduction of ourselves. Yeah, maybe KLYTIA go first.
Okay. I started refilling detergent business about in 2012. Mainly because I want to take care of my kids. They were toddler then, and this concept is because I'm used to be more thrifty and also environmentally more conscious when I was staying abroad in Germany. So because they have very good recycling system where they really segregate to the core, like even the wine bottle, if you want to recycle, it's what color gas, and then you have to peel off the label. It's very proper. And even in the recycling center, there you can actually bring back furnitures that you want to use.
Wow.
So it's very clean. But then when you bag, then you realize that we don't have that environment to do that. And
Right.
at that time when we first started, I think it's a very new concept. Not many people can accept reusing bottle because people will think that you should recycle and then can ready lah. Why do I need to reuse a bit girly, right? So I think it was the toughest first 5 years to educate people. But look, we came a long way, and now it's a little bit more easier. And then we have more people on board. We have younger people on board, people like Sok Ping. We have people who do it mobile. We have resellers. We are trying to spread this nationwide, not just in Klang Valley. Yeah.
Right. How about you, So Ping? You've been retailing the Malaysia's first refill store on wheels. Yeah, tell us
Yeah.
what it's
So,
about.
so I told my father, I cannot be the first in school in class. Okay, now let me be the first for the
You
zero
ready?
waste on view.
You did it.
Yeah. Hello everyone, I'm Soping from Refiller Mobile. Yeah, two of you make me feel like I'm a very young baby.
You are. You are.
Yeah, so I just started Refiller Mobile last June, so we are less than 1 year old. We are actually a zero waste store on wheel. We go around neighborhood for people to refill your household cleaning agents. And the household cleaning agents are from KitaRefill, from KLYTIA, because she's very detailed in the ingredients that they use in the product, and I trust her. That's why I can only go to her. And she's a very reliable person in terms of eco-friendly products. She is very good in that. Yeah. And besides the household cleaning agents, we also have like dry food, dry nuts. We also have like shampoo bar, soap bar, and all this we are working with local suppliers who are also expert in their own industry. Yeah,
Awesome.
and they all understand zero waste lifestyle, and they also practice it on their own. So it's very nice to work with a pool of suppliers who understand the concept and willing to work with us as well. Especially when we get the nuts, we have to tell them, look, I really don't want plastic. Is there any way that we can go about it? And they actually suggest, oh yes, of course, I can put the nuts into a tin, and then when you finish it, you return it and you clean, and then you swap the tin. So we are not using plastic, we are not using anything, or we are not wasting anything in the transfer process, which is very good. Yeah.
Great. What about why do you want to do it on a like a mobile van?
To make it mobile, it was because I joined Zero Waste Malaysia. I was their volunteers, and then I heard voices of like, hey, I want to practice zero waste, but there's no zero waste store nearby my house. It's so difficult. So I was like, if let's say I can go to your house, there's no reason for you to say no, right? Yeah. And it was happened that the van was available right after my volunteers event with Zero Waste Malaysia. I was very lucky. You know, timing with this back to back was very, very lucky. And I approached the owner. The owner wasn't sure that I can handle the van. So I had to go to the house and convince them. Then they're like, I love your idea. So that's how I started the zero waste store on Wing.
And just on a side track, because we're talking about pandemic, how does pandemic work for you? Does it grow your business or you struggle? Actually, how does it work for you? How did it go for pandemic?
For me,
Yeah.
ayo, the pandemic, because we are considered essential, so we are allowed to open on staggered days. And the queue was very, very long because everybody is queuing for sanitizer that time. So it was so long, and never before I have so much crowd in my shop. But the problem is we couldn't get enough supply because sanitizer, alcohol was like, suppliers start to jack up price, very hard to get the raw mat. So it was like, I have to actually stop people from ordering sanitizer. I have to put notice and say, no, you cannot buy so many sanitizer, because it's actually like, if you're already locked down at home, you don't need that many sanitizer. You just wash your hand. But at the time, people just go crazy. Yeah, you see the thing with us is like, there's business there, but we can't be making, that it just doesn't make sense, because the supplies are limited and the price start to jack up very much during pandemic. And then so we have to ration them. You can only refill only certain amount, because just buy hand soap. Hand soap will do the job. You see, you don't need to sanitize. Sanitize only when you're out. But who's going out when during pandemic? So that's one of the lessons we learn. Wow, so nice to see the crowd, but then everybody just want the sanitizer.
Right.
So the sanitizer, but the sanitizer was a limited item at that time.
Good to know. What about you, Soping? How did pandemic work for you?
I started after pandemic. So I was very lucky that I have a job during pandemic, and I was still like a scared child. I just decided to resign. Yeah, without a plan, but I used about a year to volunteer my time in NGO. Like Zero Waste Malaysia is one of them. But it was a very, very good process for me to understand people of zero waste lifestyle. And also, when you're in the community, then you will learn whether I'm doing it right or wrong. Otherwise, I'm doing it alone, I don't know whether there's any room to improve. So it's always very good to open up a conversation with the same community. And when you get the support, then you will have the encouragement to do better and to do more. Yeah.
Right. All started with the NGO.
Yeah.
Wow. Awesome. Yeah. Now it's time to switch to what KLYTIA and Soping is having. Let's share more about your detergent. Household products.
Our household detergent, we have dishwash, laundry, floor, toilet. I think we covered almost everything lah. Even car shampoo, pet shampoo, glass cleaner. I think
all
yeah. But then we also have two types of customer lah. If those really true zero waster, they buy satu barang only, and then they use for everything because they are minimalist. So we have a lot of product actually more to cater more to the mass market, that no, I must use this, must use that, because some people, they are not so much about environment yet. They have not reached yet that. But to them, it's like, oh, the product is good for me because my hands doesn't hurt. I like to clean, I'm very OCD. So the product work for them. And then the only way to buy a product is have to refill. Then they die come then with the bottle. So we have to cater. That's why we have a lot of product is to cater for this group of people. And it's like we have to lah. But then if the other group of people who are like activists about environment, they don't use a lot of product. They only have only one glass soap they can use from head to toe. Yeah, they even use that to wash their laundry if they need to. So it's very different, and that's why we don't have to impress people like detergent, as in like make it very strong. We don't believe in like, oh, you have to make it very strong smell, or very strong so that your clothes are whiter than white. No, it doesn't. When we believe when your clothes are old and aged, it will look old lah. Because things that make it look bright is actually the optic brightener. So this substance is actually very bad. If you Google it up, it's actually very bad. It's like a cancer disruptor. I mean, a hormone disruptor, so can cause cancer. So all these things, little things that we use for our cleaning product, and then just so that our shirt will look always white, I think it's not necessary lah. Once it's clean, it's good enough. Okay, and most of the time the dirt also no need so powerful one. It will clean. But because sometimes out there they have to make it very powerful to justify the price. Whereas we don't. Our prices are very, very affordable one, and we don't try to like reformulate until it becomes so. Oh, now this one is stronger, or we don't. And even our dishwash, we don't put fragrance because we don't believe in it. Because we don't believe that your plate should have lemon lime kind of thing, because all this is also a myth. You know, you need lemon lime, but you think it's really lemon lime in the dishwash? No, it's just fragrance,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
synthetic fragrance oil. And then your plates will have a layer of synthetic fragrance oil, and then you put food on it, and then you'll consume it. So we have to undo all this, because when they come to the shop, hey, I want lemon one, I want lemon dishwash. Sorry, don't have. You shouldn't have. So things like that. And then when they use, and then they realize, oh yeah, no need lemon also can. Your dishwash is no smell, but it cleans. So it's a lot of education, and also for people to try, because a lot of people are very skeptical when they see there's no label, there's no packaging. It's very hard to sell. So that is for them to make the first step to use, and then give us feedback that, oh, that is always like you have to use, you know,
Right,
the product will speak for itself, because we make products not just for human lah. We really make sure that the earth stays safe for us also.
Awesome. I totally agree with that, because I most of our customers, they have sensitive skin. We're always educating them to switch to look for the natural household product. Now we know where to go. Just go for Soaping and KLYTIA. They have natural household product for your clothes,
Yeah, more
for your
yeah.
hands, for your dishes, all natural. Just last questions. One is, how do we encourage the awareness or bring out the awareness? How do we influence more people to join us in this sustainability cause? Yeah, back to ladies. Who go first?
Yeah, okay, I can go first. So, actually, there's a many good answer there. Thank you very much, everyone. But I can only pick one. So, I really hope that I can meet you in person. And please let me know when you are in the group chat, when you see the van. Just let me know. I will give you something. Okay. So please don't be disappointed. And for me, I'm sure a lot of the audience here, they are already practicing zero waste lifestyle. So how to take another step is try to bring your friend to zero waste store. Try to let them experience it, because that's how I did when before I run the business. I actually brought my friend to zero waste store to let them experience, and everyone was like so surprised that there's such store exists in Malaysia.
Yes. We have come to almost the end, and we have wrapped up already. I have come to so much of sharing. Thank you so much, and we have learned so much from the ladies
Thanks
today.
for inviting us. Thanks for giving us this platform.
Yeah, and thank you everyone and thank you everyone to stay from beginning until now with us. That's awesome. The comments are awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
Rest today. Yeah. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
See you.
Good night.
Night.
Night. Yeah, we are here in second session. Claire knows how. Okay, as usual, we'll be sharing what it is all about today. Sharing is all about how to deal with your empty bottles, right? I know you guys been buying products from Claire Organics, but don't throw away, right? As you may already know, Claire Organics encourages everyone to go green, and we promote sustainability, right? Even though, yes, we have containers, very hard to go zero waste, yes, I know. But at the least you can do, how do you recycle the products packaging, right? And we are going into phasing out plastics as well very soon. That's why even plastic tubes that we have, as you can see, the one of our newest product, cape for mosquitoes, right? Yes, that is also using the recyclable plastic PCR material. So we are going towards that step already, right? Reducing the single-use plastics. Okay, yeah, how you can do is into our Go Green campaigns. When you have these empty bottles on the pictures, do not throw away, right? Keep it with them, collect them, go to our the Go Green campaign, recycle for our members. Please join our members, it's free, okay? And you can just use it to redeem. Yes, as we say, whatever that we can contribute, we contribute to the encouraging our community. Bring back your bottles, and you exchange for something. Isn't that nice? Instead of throwing it away, right, guys? So bring it back to us, right? Exchange the free gifts, exchange your vouchers, and redeem your points. The points can be used for cash when you pay for during checkout. Okay. So yeah, next one is our Claire Labs. If you haven't heard about our Claire Labs, one of our refill station, okay, where you can find our naked soap, literally no packaging, okay, no packaging. You just come to buy our bar soap naked, okay. So that is when, as well as to refill our your favorite body scrub with your own container. Okay, guys, here we are encouraging our community. Please join us, okay, in putting some of the baby steps. Is simply by buying soaps without packaging, okay, simply by bringing your own jars on to refill your favorite body scrub, okay. That's all. And you bring your own jar to refill, it's so much cheaper. It's cheaper than you buy the whole new jar of the ready packed body scrub from us, right? Yes, it's always there's always benefits. Okay, there's the benefits of encouraging us. Yes, because you want to probably you need to put in a little bit of extra effort to just remember, oh, I'm going to CLYTIA Organics today, oh, I'm going to shopping today, probably I want to grab some scrub. Just a little bit more effort to remember I need to bring the extra empty jar with me, right? So that I can buy the refill scrub from Claire, right? So yeah, that is naked soaps and body scrub to refill. Can bring any container to refill? Yes, wager, yes, can. You can bring to any containers, but make sure you wash and dry properly, okay? Yes, if you can sanitize your container, that's even better, right? Yes, go bring with Claire. That is something that we kicking starts to refills. Hopefully we have more refills items soon to add to this series, right? To encourage the whole community to go with us together. This to sustainability, like our ladies mentioned, the sustainability thing is the ongoing thing with something. We cannot just do it with a few of us. We should encourage everyone to take that baby step together, right? Yes, okay, that is, yes, surprisingly good. Thank you, waiter. Yeah, gonna start action already, right? Okay, so that is all about saving the, yeah, with naked soap, saving together, we save the planets, we save your wallets. Yes, because I always believe that yeah, we can doing so much with everyone who just join together, take the baby step, and I truly believe together with our CLYTIA Organics ecosystem and community, and all of you here watching this is our community and our ecosystem already, right? We could make the world a better place. Well, at least for our next generation, they will not suffer with the earth that is filled with packagings and garbages, right? Yeah, so yes, that is what we can do and supporting the green environment. That's all for today. Good night, have a good rest. Thank you, bye bye.